Smartphones OPPO Reno 2 and Reno 2Z with an unexpected design appeared on live images. Next week will be the presentation of OPPO Reno 2 line, which is expected to be presented by 3 models. The network has photos of 2 of them, Reno 2 and Reno 2Z. Both showed a quad camera, a glossy back, and the Reno 2Z also narrow frames around the display. The frontal came as a surprise. Reno 2Z showed a classic retractable camera from the center of the top, rather than a triangular block like the Reno and Reno 10X Zoom edition. OPPO Reno 2 received 4 modules in main camera, and the announcement will take place very soon. In the spring of this year, OPPO introduced the OPPO Reno line of the smartphones, and now a new model called OPPO Reno 2 is being prepared for release. The smartphone lacks a visible front camera, which, given the experience of previous models, should be retractable. It is unlikely that OPPO has already mastered the technology that allows you to place front camera below the surface of the screen. As for the main camera, this unit will include 4 modules at once, which will be located vertically in the central upper part of the rear panel. The main module will receive a 48 megapixel image sensor, a wide-angle camera will be 8 megapixel. Also, the camera will have a 13 megapixel camera with a telephoto lens and a 2 megapixel image sensor for macro shooting and 16 megapixel front camera. The smartphone is credited with a 6.53-inch AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution, MediaTek Helio P90 chipset, 8GB of RAM, a 4065 mAh battery with Boost 3.0, and Android 9.0 Pie operating system with ColorOS 6. The top-end version of Reno 2 can still adopt the design of its predecessor, and at the same time will receive an improved camera with a hybrid zoom. Announcement of all OPPO Reno 2 smartphones will be held on August 28. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, peace out.